TopperPay review. Let's get started. So TopperPay, powered by Uphold, is a service that enables users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies instantly via local payment methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and using cards. They also have in-browser without needing to set up a full exchange account. So what users appreciate about it is fast and has intuitive transactions. So many praise its simplicity. It also has a wide range of selections of crypto and low apparent fees, and user loves the variety and the speed, and it has a good trust rating, which is up to 4 stars on Trustpilot. However, it comes with key concerns and risk. It has some transaction issues and duplicate charges, and they have reported that they have not get funds withdrawn without delivery. They also have some account restrictions and delay, and the domain privacy has some concerns as well. It is legit, but use it with caution. So TopperPay is a real and convenient crypto on-ramp platform, particularly great for beginners needing quick purchases without full account setup, and most users report seamless, fast transactions.